Chair, you know, we are telling you from experience, we are not saying that these teachers are not trained, but majority of the teachers who come from the colleges, including the universities, they are arts. And Mwalimu Morero here knows, he has been one of us actually. We used to advertise for his schools for sciences that he wouldn't get. And remember, Chair, when we were taking these primary school teachers to JSS, we opened a portal because a teacher has to show interest. Some were retiring, they didn't want to go to JSS, but most of them went. But even the ones we got, and the people who go for higher qualifications, they are arts. They are arts. And you are members of parliament. I know you go to these universities where our teachers go. They don't go to take sciences. They go for arts. But however, we took all of them to secondary schools. Now, I don't know, the other one was on... we have done these advisories more than once to both universities and the ministry, because of the colleges that the ministry runs. They are all there. I think the other one, you see, Chair, now I'm losing the line because of the many questions. But I think the other one, I talked about the redistribution. If I forget, I'll be told. You also asked us about promotion of teachers. And before I leave the recruitment, I was told to assure the country that we will take all the 46,000 intern teachers. And yes, that's in the affirmative. We are taking all of them. And another question on this recruitment came from the vice chair, who asked that he knows of some teachers who have left through natural attrition. Yes, it's not only in your constituency, it is everywhere in the country. Of course, these things happen. And that's why the advert ran like that, so that if there is a gap, because we must fill all those vacancies for the interns, they are funded. The government has funded them. So we cannot even leave even one without a teacher. So what we do after taking all the 46,000 intern teachers is run through the merit list again on who is the first in that sub-county, and we replace the person who has left through natural attrition. To give comfort to the members,